In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to GoHighLevel App Marketplace, how to install apps in GoHighLevel. To get started, log into GoHighLevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, and it's the area you'll use to access different tools and settings throughout your account. From that left side menu, click on App Marketplace. This section is where GoHighLevel keeps the available apps and integrations you can connect to your account. If you're planning to expand functionality, automate tasks, or connect third-party tools, this is the place you'll be working from. After the App Marketplace opens, the next step is to find the app you want to install. You can do this in two simple ways. The fastest option is to use the search bar if you already know the app's name. If you're still exploring, you can also browse through the available categories to see what kinds of apps are offered. This is helpful if you're not sure exactly which integration you need yet. For this example, let's say you've selected Canva. Once you click into the app listing, you'll usually be taken to a page that gives you more information about the app, what it does, and how it connects with GoHighLevel. It's always a good idea to quickly review that page so you understand what permissions or features are involved before moving forward. When you're ready, click on Install. This begins the setup process. After that, you'll be asked to select the sub-account where you want the app installed. This part is important, especially if you manage multiple client accounts or separate business locations inside GoHighLevel. Be sure to choose the correct sub-account so the app is connected in the right place. Once you've selected the appropriate sub-account, click Continue. This moves you to the confirmation stage, where GoHighLevel will prepare the app connection for that selected account. Finally, click Allow and Install. This gives the app permission to connect and completes the installation process. Depending on the app, you may see additional setup instructions afterward, but the installation itself will now be done. And that's it. You've successfully installed an app from the GoHighLevel App Marketplace. If you're adding more tools later, the process is generally very similar. Open the marketplace, find the app, install it, choose the right sub-account, and confirm the permissions. This makes it easy to customize your GoHighLevel workspace based on the tools you actually use.